Ladies and gents, you know how I'm always telling you to go get your reps? Well, I'm going to give you a drill today that will help you get your reps using the last 3 videos that I've brought out, which was the overhook and the scarf hold and the locking and joint wrenches from the scarf hold. Here we go. Now, many of the moves that you're going to see in this ground flow drill are on our last 3 videos, overhooking, scarf holding, etc. You're going to see a couple of new ones, and if you are unfamiliar with them, just slow down the video, pay attention to the positions, and maybe I'll cover them in a future video as well. So, on that note, here you go. All right, so here is a fantastic way to practice the scarf hold, both with quick terminations and with your locks that you learned from last week's video if you'd like. And this will also teach you how to work from rolling someone from a shin guard, and this is just a great sequence to practice a lot of drills from. What we're going to have is a partner A and a partner B. I'll start off as partner A. My training partner will be partner B in this drill. And what we're going to do is one person is going to take the role of the winner, and the other person is going to take the role of the attacker. Okay, so partner A is going to be the winner. We're going to do a sequence where basically I'm on my back, he's throwing punches. I'm going to shrimp into a side mount. I'm going to shrimp into a shin guard, it's called. You'll see me get my shin in the way. I'm going to use those double overhooks that we learned from last time. I'm going to roll him, and then I'm going to transition into my scarf hold. I'm going to do some quick terminations with the elbow, and then I might pick one of the locks that we've learned to do. You can practice all 4 of them if you'd like. Then we're going to say switch, and partner B, my partner, will become the winner. I'll become the role of the attacker. What that means, he's going to use one of his escapes on me, any one of them that he wants to, that you learned from the first scarf hold video. Then he's going to get into a position of a side mount. You'll see him step over, bring the heel in, bring the knee in. This is called a kneeling side mount. You'll trap the arm, bam, bam, bam. Quick termination. So basically it's a drill where one person starts off with the winner, then we'll say switch, and the other person becomes the winner, the other person takes the role of the attacker. Here we go. So he's coming in throwing punches from a ground position. Boom, boom. I'm going to shrimp to a shin guard. I've got my overhooks, so roll. I'm going to go to a side mount. Scarf hold. Bop, bop, bop. Cool. Switch. Switch hands. And break. And then we'll reverse. Okay. Same drill, we're just switching roles. So he's going to be the winner, I'm going to be the attacker. After he does his roll and his scarf hold and termination, we'll switch. Once again, I'll take the role of the winner, he'll take the role of the attacker about halfway through, and then I'll end up doing my series of terminations from that side mount. So here we go. Okay, so just a really cool ground flow drill. You can just sit there and get your reps of that. You can choose a different type of termination every time you get into the scarf hold, so you can get a chance to practice all of your different moves. Folks, if you like the video, please leave me a thumbs up. Put comments down below of what you would like to see me put in future videos. Hit the subscribe button, and of course, as always, make sure to click the bell icon so you are alerted when future videos come out. Until next time, go get your reps.